My glasses feel so. It seems to be a beautiful day today. Not so hot, but I can walk it. Look at the clouds behind. Ooh. The clouds look like when I'm flying. Ooh. Beautiful clouds on the outside behind me. Gonna take a little walk today. Take the train past. I think me hear it earlier. But yes, let's go. Mm-hmm. So I'm in the shade and I don't feel like to go out in the river in the sun. Shade is beautiful. So many landscapes here. If I run out of poses, I have like an album filled with pose ideas that I could just steal. So I studied abroad in Paris in the fall. I got a gig with them this afternoon. These athletes are amazing. Hi, Shireen. How are you? These athletes are amazing. How are you, Shireen? How are you? That's the river over there. It's so peaceful and quiet. How are you? I see you're back with your feet. You're back with light and everything. Jesus, I feel that me can't manage to walk again. Why? Whew. I took the break too long. I am falling. Hold on, let me change the way I'm messing up my life. Whew. These are so beautiful. Look at them. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. No, 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 no. You know, I should ask him to take me to China. My dear's telling him sorry. I should have said to him, hi, can you take my photograph, please? Look at the river, guys. And the beautiful sky above. It's pretty. It's amazing. The creations of the Almighty. So amazing. Shireen, not staying long still, no current and the internet service not working out on the road, getting some Wi-Fi. Okay, take care. I saw long them take, cause I saw something where JPS say it's gonna take them like 1 month to restore St. Elizabeth electricity. Oh wow. All right, honey, take care. Thanks for coming on and stay safe. Just share the life for me. All right. Thank you so much. Love you. Wish you all the best, honey. I don't know what I've been there where I don't have electricity after Gilbert. It wasn't a good feeling. So stay strong. Yeah, that's what I heard. St. Elizabeth and Manchester is the worst. Not even my parish, St. Thomas was damaged that bad because St. Thomas got back current from the very week, of the storm. Electricity was being restored. Hmm. Take care, honey. Whew. Yeah, I'm getting um, signal to cross, but I'm not crossing. I just strolling up the hill here. Strolling up the hill, you know, because I don't think I joked something. See it? Kind of steep. See it? There's a bump. And then I have to go up the hill. So my calf and my foot, yeah, my bill muscle on the back. Jesus. Oh, boy, it take too long to come back and walk. And what could have caused this? Feel like I can't do the little walking. Mm-mm. What could have caused this? The sun, you know, is the sun. Because I used to walk so better in the snow and the cold. Was much easier and better to walk. But Jesus, the sun is terrible. Whew. Tired. Music. I hope YouTube not block me. Can you hear the music, guys? It's a weird across the road, you know. But I could hear it. Alright, it's gone. Somebody at the stop sign. Woo! Watch water! Look at water streaming out here. So the screaming of water. The screaming of water out here. Jesus. The screaming of water. Hold on, guys. Content along the way, guys. Sorry about that. Jesus, mega wet up. Look, look, guys, mega wet up. Mega wet up. Bye. Mega wet up. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look, it's water. It's sprinkler. It's water. It's water. It's water. It's water. Water is life. Okay. And I'm gonna run before it's come around to me. All right. Okay. Hi. It's not so hot today. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Lunchtime almost up already, Lord. Time. Relax. Or shovel and relax. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I saw him just now. Where more go? Guys, auntie's in New York. New York, New York. Tomorrow is the big day. I'm gonna miss out, but I hope somebody come live so that we can get a little peek of what's going on. Jamaicans rolling in for the event. Jamaicans, the Canadians, whew, British. It's a good look. And Times Square board, billboard. It's a good feeling to know that your Jamaican sister is going places and you're happy for them. Happy for her. Real happy for her. To see that she just sit down and talk and we just listen to her. And she have good encouragement. She have good words for us. She encouraged us well. You know? And see it. Look at her. Look at her. Billboard in a New York City. It's a buggy. Billboard in a New York City. Here she comes. Yeah. Yup. When I'm seeing Eddie Murphy and those people on the board, and then when I look again, I see Donna Marie Gow, the one and only Planka Boss. You know, it's a good feeling. And all our supporters are there with her, Chris, you know, Miss Lowton. All the guys were there with her. Well, most of her close friends. That's nice. That's so nice. So guys, don't care. No motivational talk for today. Don't care where you're from. Don't care if you're from a ghetto, a community that is less fortunate than another community. Whilst you have ambition, you will rise above the rest. Okay? Don't think so because you come from here, so you're not can't go anywhere. That's mash down that lie. If you want good, you're gonna get the good. If you put out the work and put out the effort, yes. Just keep moving. Yeah. So walk, I'ma come back, I'ma come take a sat. Should I do one next lap, but yeah, me should have did one next lap, but me not gonna have enough time at a different venue. But next time, seems like it's getting warmer, cooler. Cooler days are ahead, so yeah. When it's cooler, we do more walking. But when it's hot, you know, I want to get parched in the sun. So just a little at a time, sit and rest. Yeah, you don't have to kill off yourself. Just do it little by little, step by step. All right. So thank you guys so much for joining my life today. It was a pleasure having you. It was a pleasure having you over here. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you. If you are having a birthday, happy birthday. If you are having an anniversary, happy anniversary. And if you are traveling out of your country to the United States, evening of elegance, safe journey. Okay? Thank you so much. Oh, she's a student. So nice. Take care, guys. Blessings always. Love you all. Stay strong. For those who don't have electricity, I pray that they will restore it soon for Shireen and the rest of persons in St. Elizabeth. Okay? Very good. Oh, the lawn. So take care, guys. Love on all. Blessings, blessings, blessings. No flood. Okay? Whoosh, I'm out of here.